These are the key points. In factoring quadratic equation using X method, it requires the B and C. But in factoring the complex quadratic equation using tabular method, it requires the A and C to factor it easily and quickly. In factoring quadratic equation using tabular method, there are 6 steps to be followed. First step is identifying the A and C. Second step is getting the all factor of A and C and list it horizontally. In the third step, there is a condition. If you list it all, proceed to the next step, which is cross multiplying their factor, and if you add it, the sum of their product is the middle term. In the fourth step, get the numbers which satisfy the sum of the middle term. In the fifth step, get the numbers in the first row and put it in parentheses as well as the number in second row. Lastly, put the variable on the first numbers per row and check their signs. Take note, in cross multiplying, the sum of the factor of A and C will satisfy the middle term. Example: using tabular method, factor 5a squared plus 11a plus 2. First step, identify the A and C. The A is equal to 5 and the C is equal to 2. Second step, get all the factors of 5 and 2 and list it in horizontal manner. The factor of 5 will be 5 and 1, 1 and 5. And the factor of 2 is 2 and 1, and 1 and 2. Next step, proceed to cross multiplying and add their product. The cross multiplying will start in the first factor. First, 5 times 1 is equal to 5, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and their sum cannot satisfy the middle term, which is 11. So we will proceed to the next factor, which is 5 times 1 and 1 times 2. So in the next factor, which is 5 times 1 and 1 times 2, we will cross multiply it again. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. And their sum satisfy the middle term, which is 11 is equal to 11. We all know that the factor of 5, which is 5 times 1, and the factor of 2, which is 1 times 2, satisfy the middle term when cross multiplying apply. So next, get the numbers in the first row, which is 5 and 1, and put it into parentheses. And also the second row, which is 1 and 2, put also in parentheses. After putting the numbers in the parentheses, put the variables and the signs needed by the equation to satisfy the 5a squared plus 11a plus 2. And to check it, use FOIL method.